In today's video, I'll show you how to stabilize video clips in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So we have our sample clip right here, and when I play it, as you can see, it is quite shaky right there. And now we will try to stabilize it. So to do that, you just need to go here into the effects tab. If you don't have this, go into window and make sure that you have effects checked. And from here, you want to search for warp stabilizer and then drag it into your clip. And then it will now automatically analyze the background and stabilize your video automatically. However, if you'd want, you could also go for the options right here to make it according to how you'd want it to be. So I'll just make this shorter so that the processing time would be faster. And now that it's done processing, we will now be able to play it back. And then this is the result. So as you can see, it is now much smoother with less sways. However, if it's still not smooth enough for you, then you can go here into effect controls and then you can increase the smoothness right here and then it will analyze the footage again. And take note, the higher the value here is, then the more zoomed in the video will become. So that's the trade-off. And lastly is that just a finishing touch that I'd want to add here is that I like to go here into advanced and I go into rolling shutter and go for enhanced reduction. So what this does is that it tells Premiere to apply stronger stabilization, more advanced warping, and potentially larger cropping or zoom to reduce shake even more than default modes. So this will be an even smoother result. So you want to do this if you'd want to achieve that. But if you're satisfied with the default result, then you don't need this. And now here is the result. So it's actually much more zoomed, but as a trade-off, it is much smoother. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.